Hi guys, it's me again, Nelly, your host for Beauty and Food, and right now we're at a place called Haja Mona Asam Pedas located in Malacca. So what do they sell here? Like the name suggests, Asam Pedas, and they're really famous for this thing called the Daging Titil. Daging Titil. So Daging Titil is actually beef tendons, like the softest part of the meat, and they kind of make it into chunks of really soft fatty meat. Whereas this is ikan pari asam pedas, which is basically asam pedas cooked in fish. So before I go ahead and eat it, I'm just gonna let you guys know asam pedas is sour and spicy. And yeah, here is my rice. They provided a salted egg, a little bit of veggie, and I'm gonna dig in. So, should I test the soup out for you guys first? This is actually pretty spicy, but it's really nice. It's a good kind of spicy. It's not the burn your tongue spicy, but it's a good kind of spicy. So, I'm gonna take a piece of this right here. Gonna go small. Right, a bit of rice and a lot of meat. Like I said, it's really soft. It's slightly on the fatty side. So if you enjoy that kind of fatty, rich texture, this is definitely for you. It's really good. And I really love this soup. For someone who can't really take spicy, I'm willing to make a sacrifice on my tongue to take this because it's that good. Like, I don't care if it's spicy, I just want to have some. Okay, so this is done for the titil. I'm gonna move towards the ikan pari before I finish everything and leave no space for the ikan pari. So let's go for this. Dig in. Ooh, yes. So, I'm having a hard time. If you guys haven't realized by now, I'm very bad at peeling, plucking, dissecting food. So, okay, my fish. This is reasonably great as well. Again, this is nice. The asam pedas is amazing. It's the same asam pedas. So the fish is actually pretty fresh. It doesn't have that really, you know, the kind of musky taste that you have when the fish isn't fresh. It doesn't have that at all. So I'm gonna conclude this so that I can eat it behind the camera. So I would give the both of this 10 out of 10. Both of it. Actually, I'll give this a 10 out of 10. I'll give this 9.5 out of 10 because I like this more. I need to make a distinction. So that's it for Beauty and Food. Do check us out more on our page, beautyfood.tv. Like, leave us comments, share, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.